Oh my god, the voice recorders fell down my pants. Voice recorders fell down my pants. Alright guys, Pitbikesonic here, and today we're off for another track day at Ellough Park. But today it's going to be a little different. We're never far away from Ellough from my house, but it's pouring down with rain. So I'm hoping we're going to do a wet track day vlog, which will be the first one I've ever done, so that should be quite cool. Wendy will turn the camera around now and show you how wet it is. So yep, lovely and slippery. So I'm actually looking forward to this. I haven't yet been out on my new bike in the rain, so I'm looking forward to spinning some wet laps on it. And just, yeah, having a good time. I'm actually really looking forward to it. I haven't looked forward this much to going out in the wet in a long time. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at the track. I haven't even bought any inters this season yet, so
yeah. No, because that's
definitely full wet condition. Just need a sign on, yeah?
yeah.
Alright guys, so we've done 2 or 3 sessions here at Ellough Park this morning. Well, it's afternoon now, in the wet, which was really good to get some wet practice time. First time I've been on this bike in the wet, and really enjoyed it. With all these big changes we made from Landau as well that we never got to try out after the crash. Bike feels good. We've moved the pegs up quite a bit as well, changed the angle of the pegs, and feels good. We're just waiting on getting some longer front forks now, and we'll see where we go from there. But it's good to get some wet sessions in. We're now in that horrible in-between where the track's, it's nearly dry, but there's a few puddles still about and things like that, so I'm going to give it another hour and then get the slicks back on. So yeah, nice to get some wet practice in, and now we're going to change everything over back to the dry settings. So I'll get Wendy to get some footage. We're using pretty much our championship layout today, because apparently they've been having some problems with the new tarmac on the new layout. So it's good we're getting some practice round, which should be the track we're going to use. So there's a few different, there's one corner that we take a bit earlier than what we would in the championship. And I don't know if they will put the tyres back coming out of the hairpin when we come back out here or not. I'll get Wendy at film down there to show you what I mean. Where there would normally be tyres where you have to swing one side and miss them. Today we haven't. You come out of that hairpin, or it's not really a hairpin now, you literally come out of it and just full power down the straight. So I'll get Wendy to get some footage to show you guys of what it could be like for the championship round, and I'll speak to you later. Right guys, I was having some problems with the bike. It was revving really high. I thought it might be because we have to run the baffles here, but it's one of the most common problems on pit bikes. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but basically it's basically a cracked inlet manifold. They break all the time and you can see it's all cracked and perished. Hopefully I've got another one here. We're going to stick one on. Hopefully that's all the problem, but that will be an air leak in there, and that's what's causing it to rev and run horrible, so we'll try and get that changed. Oh my god, the voice recorders fell down my pants. voice recorder's fell down my pants. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's vlog here at Ellough. Not too much talking from myself, but it was good to get some practice in all conditions, wet, damp and fully dry by the end of the day. Made some massive improvements today with the bike, with peg position and suspension setup. I'm not going to say too much because obviously my rivals weren't here, so you don't honestly know how well I got on, but it felt loads better. So we're really looking forward to our race meeting here in 2 weeks. So yeah, cheers guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, usual stuff, hit this button here. And to watch some more videos, hit this button here. Cheers guys, see you later, bye bye.